This is a no stud TV hanger that the brand sent for me to try, and this thing is pretty nice. Let me show you what it comes with here. It comes with the bar that you put on your wall to hang your TV. It's got a little groove here for a level, and then holes in here for little nails, which this is going to be what mounts to the wall and holds the TV. It also has a rail here that you're going to screw into the back of your TV, and it has holes for varying sizes of TVs, which is great. And then it comes with a bunch of bolts and spacers for connecting to the back of your TV. And so all you need is a hammer and a screwdriver. I'm gonna go ahead and start the installation process, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so I went ahead and prepped the TV first by removing the feet from the bottom. And then I tested out which size screws I needed to screw into the back of the TV mount, because it comes with a bunch of different screws. You want to make sure you use the right size. And then once I figured out what size I needed, I just put the bar in there and screwed the bar right into the mount, and then finally fed this safety cord that they included with the mounting kit through the top slot on the bar. And now that's ready to go, and we'll get focused on the wall mount. All right, so now I've kind of eyeballed approximately where I want the TV, roughly centered where I want it, and then also height-wise where I want it. It does come with this little level that you can kind of slide into the rail here to kind of show you where it's level. And then you're just going to take the included nails, stick them in the holes, and then you're just going to drive them in with the hammer. So I'm going to go ahead and do all those, and then I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so I've got this all nailed to the wall. Now all I need to do is just pick up the TV and carefully line up the rail with the mount, and voila, there we go. All right, so I've got my TV hooked up on the wall mount. You want to make sure you get it in the slot and that it's not just balancing on the top of the rail with the nails. So I did get a stool, and I kind of had to peek down there and make sure it was lined up good, and it is. So now everything that's left to do is just kind of plug in what I want, you know, DVD player or whatever, and get that going, and then I'm ready to go. So I think this is just a really, really nice mount. The TV looks great on the wall. Thank you so much to the brand for sending it to me to try. I'm a big fan, and I would highly recommend it.